So we're at the docks. Don't hit me. We're at the docks, Londonderry Mall for the next record to be broken in the Paul Brown Show's record breaker. This one.
You gonna give an example?
I can't do it. Here, pat me on the back.
It's okay, Uke. It's okay.
I can't do it. Biggest belch. It's been a disgusting night so far. We've narrowed it down to our top belchers, and let's head inside and hear them out.
Let's plug our noses first.
Crap.
Oh, that sucked.
It's not bad. It's not. Oh. All right, we'll get you to just stand back here for now.
E for effort.
Had good resonance, good guttural delivery, but endurance wasn't so hot. Robert Lowndes, Robert.
Oh, yeah.
God keep our lad. Thank you. We're pulling the plug there. Woo! Never have I seen someone butcher the anthem so badly. Oh. Oh. It's not bad. All right, that was Al. It smells great up here too, guys. Nina, you're up, and Casey's on deck. Nina's up, Casey's on deck. Show us how it's done, girl.
So, this is the ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, E, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right, Nina. I'm glad she didn't do the now I know my ABCs part.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Fuck, I can't get one out. That's good. It's cute.
All right, sorry, I'm pulling the plug.
Oh, you
Pulling the plug. Uh-oh, hang on. Oh. All right. All right, Don, that was by far the most disgusting of the group. We'll get you all to line up in front of the banner here.
Brian.
Robert.
Give it up for Robert.
Al.
Al.
Nina.
Nina.
Casey.
Casey.
And Dawn.
And Dawn.
The winner.
Oh.
Give us one more encore performance.
Thank you very much,
Good job. Well done. Well done. So we're here with Al, the winner of Show 'em Your Plaque, Show 'em Your Hardware. You got the biggest belch. Now, you actually did the station call letters, kind of the Edmonton's Best Rock 100.3 The Bear, the deep voice guy. Did you have that planned out? What was your inspiration? Where was your mindset coming into tonight?
Well, you know, you guys were here on the north side. I just lived not too far away from you, and I figured, you know, I've got a pretty good reputation for a good belch at the dinner table, and I figured I'd give this a whirl.
Have you always been a disgusting belcher like this?
No, I'm usually a pretty quiet, shy guy.
Ever get you in trouble at the dinner table with Mom? What does she think of this? Would she be proud?
My mom's always proud of me.
All right, Al, his mom is proud, and he has the biggest belch in the Paul Brown Show's record breaker. Congratulations, and thanks to everyone here at the Docks.